This is the lead scoring workflow. So the purpose of this template here is to be able to take all of your leads and rank them on which are better than others. And so this requires you to have a little bit of information about your leads beforehand. So the main inputs are the lead data entry, and we also have the scoring criteria. So just basically how important is a certain aspect for a lead. And you can rank it yourself. You can be like, what is most important? The age, what they've bought in the past, how they view the company, certain preferences, something like that. So you set the rules here, and you're able to input all of your leads. And the system, what it's going to do is create a set of rules to score them at, and then analyze the data, and then make adjustments in this last one. And then it's going to combine all of that into one final scoring logic that it's going to rank all the leads that are provided. And so the final output will be here, the adjustment will be put here, and any trends that it sees in the leads and the data that you've provided it. So I ran this for a couple of leads I have. This is some data, some example data. And example, we have Rebecca, email, and then we have some information. Preferred cuisine, French, cooking expertise advanced 4 times a week for cooking consistency. So there's a little bit of information known about them. And so the AI is able to use that and rank them based on that. And so we have here from 1 to 27 of which ones to talk to first. And so you can be able to do this and basically say, okay, who do I want to call first? Do I want to start with my most important leads, the ones that are probably going to be converted? Or do I want to start from the bottom up? Do I want to start with people that are going to be the hardest, so I can kind of gauge what the difficulties are? And so this is something super helpful for you, for organization and for sales and for marketing, and to keep all of your prospects in line. And you can also be able to not only have them be organized, but you can be able to see trends with the same flow. You can be able to see what is important to people. What are you seeing often with your leads? Are there any patterns that can be able to be replicated, so you can be able to continue going after people and going after markets that are similar to what you already have? So you can try it out yourself, and you can import your data. If you want to as well, you can use a small memory, or you can be able to use poll data, so you can be able to take information from Google Sheet or somewhere else, or you can be able to use an API caller to be able to get information from maybe a CRM or a different application that you use to keep all your leads in one place and be able to put that into the system as well. So if you want to learn how to use that, there's going to be a couple of explanation on those specific nodes and how to work them and be able to how to use those different API systems. It's a little bit more complicated, but if you're able to just have the text here, it'll clean it up for you and score all the leads for you. Try it out yourself. Thanks. Bye.